Hey everybody, it's me again. Just want to take you quickly through the replacement of globes in a Lets4 scooter. We'll look at the back indicator and the front indicator, but I'll also take the headlight globe out so you'll know how to do that. Get under the seat is relatively easy. We simply turn the key and lift that lid. That just pulls off. Well, as soon as we've opened up your fuel tank, we don't want to get dirt in there, so I would put something to block that up. Push it down into there. I found the quickest way to replace the back indicator globes and the taillight globe is to undo these 4 nuts. Make sure the screws at the front are undone so there's nothing holding this. We can then shuffle this cable a little bit, get this to lift up and push back, and you get just enough space in here to be able to get your hand in there. And get the globes in and out. Once that's done, get that to seat back down again. And then we can put all the nuts and bolts back on. And now the screws at the front, and then we're all finished. The final part is to replace the indicators and the back tail light. So the biggest globe goes into there. Indicators go into there. To get the indicators back on now, what we need to do is make sure it's at that angle, get the bottom pieces over the number plate, and then gently put it onto there. Now we need to get this back and over that, stretch that open, and drop that down. Now we can put all the screws in. Replacing indicator globes on a Lets4 UZ50 Suzuki is very simple. You've got this cover sitting over here, 3 screws, get them out. This just pulls off. Once that's off, we have access to the globe holders over there. If we want to pop these out, that just requires a bit of a twist, and out they pop. I couldn't find 16 watt globe. This is supposed to be a W16W, and that's an 18 watt globe. Get the globes. The globes simply push in. Back in the hole, orient it so it fits in like that. Close them up. Pop in. Snap it in place. Put the cover back on. Pushes onto these. Put it into there first. 3 screws and you're all done. Quick job. You can do a quick test. Switch the mic on. All good. That just clips on, and then we've got 3 screws which hold it in place. Next, we need to put the seat back. To put the seat back, we need to put the carrier on first. That goes on here. In the seat. There's 2 more screws I need to put into there. The headlight here, nice and clear, very yellow, so we're going to take you through cleaning that up as well. That. 2 screws in the bottom. And it comes together. Look at that.